Taking day trips from London is an amazing way to see unique sights without straying too far outside of the city. There are so many fun things to do in London, but several other exciting destinations are only a short train journey away. In this video, we'll explore the vibrant city of Brighton and the amazing Seven Sisters cliffs. Among the coastal cities near London, Brighton and Hove, located in East Sussex, only about 50 miles away from England's capital, is a popular student city and a famous British summer destination. Just a 2-hour drive or a 1-hour train journey, Brighton is one of the best day trips from London by train, with trains running regularly throughout the day, which is usually every 30 minutes. Famous landmark that you can't miss on your trip to Brighton is the Palace Pier, one of the most impressive piers in the UK. The 525-meter-long pier in Victorian style has an array of attractions to please every visitor, from a waterfront theme park with rides to arcades, restaurants, bars, and deck chairs to enjoy the views, fortune tellers, and activities for the whole family. Don't forget to put the Palace Pier on your list. You'll be rewarded with splendid sea views. Whether you're visiting Brighton for the day during the spring, summer, or fall, strolling along the promenade is the perfect way to experience Brighton and Hove's vibrant seaside. You'll see people playing sports, skating, running, street artists performing, and loads of nice restaurants with perfect seaside views. Day trip to Brighton cannot end without spending some time on its famous beach, the buzzing Pebble Beach dotted with the wind farms at the sea. There are toilets, lifeguards on duty, chairs and umbrellas for hire, restaurants, bars, beach clubs, playgrounds, souvenir shops, and even art exhibitions. Take a visit to the Royal Pavilion and see the Indian-styled architectural design museum. This former royal residence is open to the public daily from 9:30 in the morning until 5:30 p.m. and costs £18 for admission. Dominating Brighton and Hove's seafront skyline is a British Airways I-360, a viewing tower and fully enclosed glass pod designed by the architects behind the conception and building of the London Eye. The tower is designed as a 162-meter tall needle structure with an ascending and descending spacious circular viewing platform, has a capacity for 200 people, and provides unparalleled panoramic views of the city of Brighton and beyond. If you have another day or even half of the day to spend beyond Brighton, you can add the Seven Sisters hike to your quick getaway. It takes around 2 hours to travel from Brighton to Seven Sisters by train over a distance of 52 miles. You can also take a bus to get to Seven Sisters, which runs between Brighton and Eastbourne. It runs every 20 to 30 minutes. The walk begins in Seaford, a small seaside town with a pebbly beach and a long promenade lined with colorful huts. Walking from Seaford to Eastbourne is a more popular direction as the views are better and it is quicker to reach the cliffs. The hike is easily self-directed as you just have to follow the trail on the coast of the hills. The Seven Sisters are the highlights of the iconic white cliffs of Dover in southeastern England. They are the nearest part of England to France, overlooking the English Channel. The greatest thing about taking a trip to Brighton and Seven Sisters is that it's not just a beach getaway. There are a lot of things to do and see. The top Brighton attractions are within walking distance, the city is easy to navigate and has a very good vibe. Thank you for exploring Brighton and Seven Sisters with me. Comment down below what places you want me to explore next. Explore with me, explore with Matt.